Hi everybody, I am on live this morning with apparently a weak signal from something. I turned my Wi-Fi off. But I want to show you our Joyful Jordan box this month because, well, I'm up early for some appointments, so I know it's 7:48. The box this month is Tender Loving Care. So it does say, start your year with a dose of TLC, Tender Loving Care for your skin, your spirit, and your self-care routine. I think we all need to kind of start over this month with 2026. So the first thing that's in the box, I have all my notes here for you, is our really good shea butter. This is our TLC body butter. It is shea butter, vitamin E, infused with lavender, peppermint, clary sage, frankincense, and sweet orange essential oils. So the fragrance this time is the TLC fragrance. Lavender, peppermint, clary sage, frankincense, and sweet orange. It has a really nice, I don't want to say perfumey smell because it's not real perfumey, but it smells really nice. And of course, you know our shea butters are awesome for moisturizing your skin and helping with any dry patches and problems you might have with that. So that is the shea butter. Then the next thing is our award-winning stick. One of our award-winning sticks. This is the TLC magnesium stick. This one is the same fragrance. It does have shea butter and beeswax in it. And it has, let me see what it says here. Of course, it has the magnesium in it. Naturally calm, uplift, and support healthy, soothed skin. Your on-the-go stick to balance your busy day. So this is one of our magnesium sticks. The idea is to get it into your body, put it on your pressure points, put it on your neck, wherever you want to. Inhale is one of the best ways to do it. Wherever you can get it, where you can smell it, you can put this on the bottom of your feet, anywhere to get it into your body so that you get the benefits of the magnesium, and carry this with you and just put it on when you need a little TLC. Put it on your nails. So then the third thing in the box this month is the TLC magnesium spray. And this is a nice one on the go as well. This is 1 fluid ounce. You can take it on your airplane. They aren't going to take the liquid from you because it's only 1 ounce. It is the TLC fragrance. It says, spritz on your body daily to enjoy magnesium and aromatherapy, benefits of restoration and relaxation. And you are going to love the smell, the combination. The combination of these fragrances really, really nice. So this is the box this month. You know our JJ boxes are always $30 with a value of over $40. I think this one was a value of 42 or 46. Can't remember exactly. This one had a pretty high value this month to start your year off right. If you're interested, these boxes, $30 for one box. You can get a subscription box where every month it comes to you and you have a surprise. What is in the box? This is one of those boxes that is fantastic for a gift. These are really, really nice. I'm donating a box this month to some girls for a fundraiser because they're doing Think Pink. So of course this is what I'm giving them to do for their basket. They're doing a basket. So if you're interested in the box this month, let me know, or go onto my website gwenmarie.com and order it. But otherwise, look at it, check it out, love it, just like I do. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Bye.